Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In a few weeks I will be going to Back of the Dragon, Tail of the Dragon, and that is a far trip for me. It's about, just to the Tail of the Dragon, it's about 750, 800 miles just one way. And out on the road, you want to be prepared for anything that happens. All these things I will be showing you, I like to bring out on the road. Even if it's just around town, even if it's just going for a day trip, stuff like that. And you want to be prepared and you want to be caught with your pants around your ankles. So most of this stuff here I will be showing you. I have links below for it. Please use them. Helps me grow the channel. Helps the channel out a lot. All the money that I make on this channel, whether it's from YouTube, Amazon, or from Cycle Gear, I have affiliate links, goes right back into the channel. And you know, all these things I've used for a very long time. Last time I made this video, I went to Tennessee about 3 years ago now, and it's basically all the same stuff, but it's tried and true. So let's get into it, and I want to show you what I usually bring with me. So first off, what I like to bring is charging cables. These charging cables are by the company called Anchor, right there. They have USB-C, USB-A, lightning cables, they have everything, anything you need. We do a lot of riding, and you know, you have a cell phone, you have a GoPro, you have comm system, and it's always nice to bring the chargers that it comes with, but it's always nice to have extra. And these Anchor cables are very sturdy, they last a very long time. There's a lot of points on here where they break. They put this little rubber thing here, so because you're always twisting and turning just like that. Has a nice little rubber seal there, gives a little more flexibility. These are tested not just by me, but by my daughter and my wife. I don't know what they do to these cables, but we've had one in our car which is 10 feet long, which is about 3 years old, and it's still kicking. It has a little tear right around here, but it's still kicking, still charges, still knows what to do. So extra cables are always nice to bring with you. The second thing I like to bring is this Pro Series 4000 Mega Boost charger and battery maintainer. So this right here I've had for, I want to say 4 years now, 3-4 years, and I don't leave home without this, especially on longer trips. Now this charger and battery maintainer is for 6-volt, 12-volt. It's not built for lithium ion batteries, so you're gonna have to find something else. But if you have the standard Harley battery in your bike, this works flawlessly with it. It has the, I know you guys have, Harley always puts those battery hookups on there. This connects to that. It charges in charging mode of 2-volt and 4-volt. It'll tell you if it's charged or full. It basically will charge up your battery and maintain it at a certain level. Like I said, it's not for lithium ion batteries. Last time I used this was probably coming back from Daytona, and it was cold out that morning. We were gonna go get breakfast, and I knew it was about almost 20 degrees coming back, and I knew it was going to be hard for the bike to start up. So basically I just took this out of the bag, found an outlet outside, plugged it in, let it charge for the, I don't know, hour that we were having my bike kicked over. Right away, no problem. So this is basically a good product that I like to bring with me, because we always stay at Airbnb. Sometimes they have a garage, sometimes they have an outlet outside. If you're just, you know, I wouldn't leave it outside in the elements obviously, but like if you're in the house, you're charging up, you're about to go, maybe you have an hour to go before you head out, charge up your battery on your bike and you should be good to go. Another thing I like to bring is this Genius Boost battery jumper. Now, if you don't have that Mega Boost and you need a battery jumper, this right here is always something good to have. You never know when you have a dead battery. You never know when you'll need it. When you buy this kit, it does come with these right here. You could jump a car with this thing. You could jump, it says, from what I remember when I bought it, it says it could jump a diesel truck. So has a lot of power, and I think I could probably jump maybe 4 to 5 bikes with this if the bike's batteries are really dead. So this is really nice. But so it came with this, but I had to buy these extra. These are basically smaller battery hookups for this, so you could hook up to a battery. It's tough to get to sometimes especially on the soft tail. It's easier to get to on the touring bikes. Just take the seat off and it'll just jump. So these are nice. These are a little smaller. It's easier to bring. I like to bring this with me, not only to just in case my bike dies or the battery's crap, but it also has an output out. Like I said in the beginning, these chargers right here, this is nice that I could charge my phone, I could charge my battery, I can charge my GoPro, I can charge the Sony camera I have, the air pump that I have. And I like to use this right off the bat when I get to the place, not jump in the bike, but I'll take it, charge my phone with it, use up some of the battery, make sure you maintain the battery, and then recharge it before I go out. So this is nice. This Genius Boost, the GB40 12 volt, 1000 amp. I've had this for 3 years and still kicking, still going. I've jumped cars with this, I've jumped my bike with this, I've jumped, countless motor vehicles with this and had no problems with it. Make sure the batteries in this are working well, and use them to charge things, and that's how you'll know if the battery's still good or not on these. All right, another important thing I like to bring with me is this Stockton tool roll kit, which I got from Cycle Gear right there. Now this is a SAE toolkit standard kit for Harleys. It has everything in here. I'm gonna open it up, I'll show you. Just come with this nice carrying case. I've used this out on the road all the time. I'm missing a Velcro piece here, but because I always open it up. I mean, this kit has basically everything. It has wiring, has your Phillips head, screw head driver, has everything in here. Zip ties, these little coat hanger wire things, your ratchet set. It has sockets. I will add other things in here sometimes, maybe different set of Allen keys. I always put like a little small flathead screwdriver. These have fuses in here, sorry. Pliers, has clamps. This toolkit has everything that you need. Now, you can basically go out and build your own, but with this, I mean, for the price, are these high quality great tools? Yes and no, but in the end, they're definitely gonna help you out on the road. So this kit, I definitely travel everywhere with it, just around town, long trips. This thing is a must to bring because you never know. Last time I used this out on the road, but the shifter side when I just put on the R1 stuff, I didn't use Loctite. So it actually came loose, and luckily I saw it was jiggling around, pulled over. I do carry Loctite in there just in case. I didn't put it in there because I was using it the other day, but I do carry Loctite. Yeah, this is a great kit. This is a Stockton tool roll. They also make this in metric, so if you do ride maybe a Honda or anything else, get the metric. So that will definitely help you out. So that's the Stockton tool roll roadside kit toolkit. It's SAE, so check that out. It's definitely a lifesaver. All right, so in the theme of bringing tools with you, I got this tire plug kit. This has everything in it. It's a little box here. I got this also from Cycle Gear, and forget the price, but this is definitely a must. This is probably one of the items that you'll have to replace all the time if you use it. I personally haven't used it yet, but I've seen other people use it live. What I like about it, if you've never used a toolkit and you open it up, and I know we're men, don't lose the directions. Don't do it. Just keep it in there, put your ego aside, use the directions if you've never used it before. So what I like to do, just keep it in here. So it has a pressure gauge, it has the plugs, this has 3 in it, it has the rubber cement in there, some extra things, all those things that you need out on the road just in case you get a flat or a nail in the tire. Now, it could be bad blowout. Obviously, if it was a blowout, you can't do anything about it. But if you catch a nail out on the road, You plug it, go to your local Harley, see if they have a tire for you. You might as well just replace it. I don't recommend doing a whole trip on these because you just never know. And you don't want to be stuck out on the road because you don't have this. But this is a good enough solution where you could, there's tons of Harley dealers all over the country and they can just replace your tire and that's it. You might have to spend a couple bucks, but it's well worth it. It gets you to that point. You don't have to call a tow truck or anything like that. So I got this tire repair kit, and also with the tire repair kit, I like to use this right here. This is a Lexing air pump by Lexing. You can find these all over Amazon or on Cycle Gear. There's different versions of this. There are different brands of this. This is nice because you can take it with you. It's portable, it has a battery on it. So, you know, always make sure this is charged. I've gone out, to tell you the truth, and it hasn't been charged and nothing happened. So that's a good thing. But like I said, with this Genius Boost, take your wire, take your anchor wire that I told you about, plug it in here, charge it up, and then you'll just have to worry about charging this. So this is nice. It has different settings on here. Let's turn it on. You can set it for a car, a motorcycle, a bike, a ball. And in here, it won't use as much power if it's like a ball or a bicycle, but if you're filling a tire up, it'll use its full power to fill the tire. So this is nice. It does come with a shorter wire, and it does come with a needle where you can pump up a basketball, football, whatever you need. I just take it in this form. I actually bought the extra longer wire just in case. This is charged by USB-C, and if you do get that nail in the tire, you need to fill the tire with air. So you'll definitely need this anytime you're out on the road and you need some air in the tire. I like to use these. I like it because it has a digital readout. Check your tires before you go out. Make sure that the correct setting, and off you go. And like I said, make sure it's charged. One other thing I don't have here on the table is maybe an extra gas can. So knock on wood, I've never actually bought a gas can. Rule of thumb, for me, what I always do, if you're meeting up at the gas station, just fill up. Doesn't matter if you're, under full, you're at 3/4. You never know how long you're gonna be out there. Just fill up. If someone else is filling up, you should fill up too. Make your life easier. Yeah, you might have to spend a little extra money, but they'll help you out in the long run. And the last few things I usually bring, and these are things for me personally, and I think most people should always consider. I'm not made out of money. I'm not. I'm gonna tell you that much right now. Yes, I have a nice bike. Yes, I have nice 2 bikes, but I work my ass off for those things, and sometimes saving a little money out on the road will help you. Just bring your lunch pail with you. You know why you bring? When you're at gas station stops, you're filling up, you're spending at least 20 bucks, right? With that lunch pail, you can bring sandwiches. Me, personally, I like peanut butter and jelly. Put enough for each gas stop. Usually, this ride, we're probably stopping, I want to say 5 times. Planned it out. Just before the fact that one of my buddies, Jose, his gas tank is a little smaller, it's a 4-gallon. He gets about 150 miles out of a tank, and we're gonna be stopping a little bit more. So, filling up costs about 20 bucks, say. And then when you go in the convenience store, I'm hungry, I want a snack. It's another $10. So each gas stop, you can spend $30. Yes, I know you could probably load up on snacks at the first stop, but why do that when you could just go out there and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? It will cost you, what, $1? Get some bread, some peanut butter and jelly for a whole trip. I don't know, you can make 6, 7 sandwiches. You don't have to really buy anything else. Maybe buy more water and that's it. And the second thing with all that buying food, freeze your waters so you have like an ice pack for it. I like to bring a Stanley cup, fill it up with water, freeze it, do whatever you have to do. Just add water to it. Definitely will help you out on the road. You want to stay hydrated out there. Plenty of times I've been out on the road really dehydrated, getting a headache because I haven't been drinking water enough. So there you have it, guys. All the things I'll be bringing out on the road. when I hit the road and go to Tennessee. Some of them are personal things, some of them are personal preference, but most of these things are a must-have to have out on the road. Because look, you don't want to be out on the road and spoil your trip because you needed something or you broke down or whatever. It's part of the road trip, it's gonna happen, but with all these things will help you limit those bad times. So like I said, use the links below. I'll leave all the links down below. Pick yourself up, no cost to you. It does help out the channel. So if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, if you do like this video, consider subscribing. I do a lot of videos like this, helping you guys prepare yourself to go out on a long trip. Make sure you hit that bell notification every time I upload something. The good old YouTube will let you know. So till next time, I'll be out on the road, heading to Tennessee, and I can't wait. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.